Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best TV cleaner is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for maintaining the pristine condition and optimal performance of your flat-screen TV. A clean screen not only enhances the visual experience by eliminating distracting smudges and dust, but also prevents potential damage from accumulated grime that can affect the screen's clarity and lifespan. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right TV cleaner, ensuring you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. EVEO Screen Cleaner Kit. Say hello to the EVEO Screen Cleaner Kit, your new best friend for spotless screens. It's perfect for TVs, computers, tablets, and more. This screen cleaner is safe for even the most delicate screens, including LCD, LED, OLED, and CRT. It works on all major brands, so you can use it with confidence. The kit includes a super soft microfiber cloth designed to leave your screen streak-free and shiny. It effectively absorbs stubborn stains without shedding fibers. Cleaning your screens has never been easier. Simply spray the solution onto the cloth and wipe. It's quick, easy, and leaves a brilliant shine. We're confident you'll love the EVEO Screen Cleaner Kit. We stand behind the quality of our products, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. It boasts a large volume, ensuring long-lasting use. It also includes a premium microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. If you need a gentle yet effective cleaner for all your devices, this is the one for you. What people say. The big bottle lasts a long time, and it worked perfectly on my TV, laptop, and mobile phone screens. It easily removes fingerprints and smudges without leaving any streaks, and the included microfiber cloth is super soft and effective. After using it, I was amazed at how clear and streak-free my screens looked. The spray and cloth work perfectly together, leaving screen spotless without any streaks. It's great for laptops, TVs, and computer screens. EVEO Screen Cleaner Spray impresses with its ability to deliver a streak-free shine consistently. Users commend its proficiency in removing fingerprints, dust, and smudges without leaving any residue or streaks behind. Its gentle formula is effective enough to tackle tough grime but delicate enough not to damage sensitive surfaces, making it an ideal choice for expensive electronics. Number 4. MiracleWipes Electronic Screen Wipes. Keeping your electronics clean has never been easier. These wipes effortlessly remove dust, smudges, and fingerprints, leaving your screen sparkling. It's safe for all your devices. From TVs and phones to laptops and monitors, they're gentle yet effective on even the most sensitive screens. These wipes work on all types of screens. Flat screens, LCD, OLED, LED, QLED, they're all covered. They're anti-static and leave a streak-free shine. Say goodbye to smudges and hello to crystal-clear displays. The quick-drying formula is gentle yet powerful, removing dirt and grime without damaging your devices. It's the perfect solution for spotless electronics. Made in the USA with globally sourced materials, you can trust the quality of these wipes. Experience the MiracleWipes difference. What we like. These convenient wipes require no extra spraying or cloths. Their anti-static formula prevents dust buildup. If you prefer a quick and easy cleaning solution, these wipes are perfect for you. What people say. These wipes are specially formulated to be gentle yet effective, ensuring they won't cause any damage to screens or surfaces. Whether it's your TV, phone, monitor, or any other electronic device, these wipes are up to the task. They effortlessly remove dust, static, smudges, fingerprints, oil, and watermarks, leaving behind a clear, streak-free finish. Plus, they come pre-moistened with a quick-drying formula, so you can say goodbye to waiting around for your devices to dry. After you clean your device screen with the wipes, you polish it with this cloth, and shazam! An absolutely perfect, new out-of-the-box, factory black display with no streaks, smudges, or blots. Number 3. Screen Cleaner Spray Kit. This kit is perfect for keeping your delicate screen sparkling clean. It's gentle yet effective, leaving them streak-free and shiny. It works on all types of screens, from TVs and smartphones to laptops and tablets. The advanced formula removes dust, fingerprints, and grime without scratching. It's 100% biodegradable, non-toxic, and free of harsh chemicals. You can use it safely around family and pets. This kit includes a spray bottle with 2 nozzles for different cleaning needs, plus a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. It's great for home, office, or travel. Keep your screens looking their best with daily use. It's ideal for cleaning multiple devices, from phones to large monitors. This kit provides a premium cleaning experience, leaving your screen sparkling and protected. It's the perfect solution for all your screen cleaning needs. What we like. It's environmentally friendly and safe for your family and pets. It also comes with 2 nozzles for versatile use. If you are looking for a safe and effective cleaner with a protective coating, this is the best choice. What people say. This cleaner does an excellent job of removing fingerprints, smudges, and dust without leaving any streaks behind. I'm particularly impressed with how it handles the delicate surfaces of my devices, ensuring that they look pristine after each use. The 16-ounce bottle is quite generous, which means it lasts a long time even with regular use. The cloth is soft, does not shed fibers, and enhances the effectiveness of the spray by polishing the screens without scratching. After a few sprays and a quick wipe, my TV screen looked good as new. This is a great screen cleaner that works well. Number 2. Altura Photo Screen Cleaner Kit. This kit is perfect for keeping your screen sparkling. It's designed for easy use and safe for all your devices. It's gentle on all surfaces, leaving no streaks or marks behind. Enjoy a pixel-perfect picture every time. This generous size means you'll have plenty of cleaner for all your electronics. It's ideal for gadget enthusiasts who want to keep their equipment in top condition. Simply spray the solution onto the microfiber cloth and wipe. It's that easy to achieve a clean and shiny screen. It works on TVs, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and more. It's gentle enough for even the most delicate screens. Keep your electronics looking their best with this easy-to-use and effective cleaning kit. Order yours now. What we like. This alcohol-free formula is safe for all screens. The large bottle provides value for money. If you prioritize a simple and safe cleaning process, this is your ideal option. What people say. When I used this product, it not only wiped the screen clean with ease, but was able to get a majority of the residue off with one wipe. It doesn't leave any streaks or residue behind once the item is cleaned. This spray is super easy and handy to use. Just spray and wipe clean whatever electronic gadget screen you want. It didn't take much effort to clean the TV. It looked so good, like almost brand new. About a week later, I walked past the TV while my niece is watching it and noticed some writing on the same corner that the handprints were at. I turned off the TV and saw a bunch of crayon lines on the TV. I was shocked to see that, but realized she's a little kid and just took out the TV cleaner spray. Took some time this time, but it did the work once again, and had a talk with her. Number 1. Altura Photo Screen Cleaner Kit. This kit makes cleaning your screens a breeze. It's perfect for laptops, computers, and even your car. It's completely safe for all your devices. The formula is gentle and won't leave any scratches or streaks. Simply spray the solution onto the microfiber cloth and wipe your screen. It's that easy. It's gentle enough for all your screens, from laptops and computers to car displays. Keep all your devices looking their best. The kit comes with 2 reusable and machine-washable microfiber cloths. Get a streak-free shine every time. Its compact size makes it ideal for cleaning your screen anytime, anywhere. Keep your devices spotless, wherever you are. What we like. It comes with 2 high-quality microfiber cloths for a streak-free shine. The alcohol-free formula is gentle on all screens. If you need a portable and effective solution for on-the-go cleaning, this kit is perfect. What people say. When I used this product, it not only wiped the screen clean with ease, but was able to get a majority of the residue off with one wipe. It works great. It doesn't leave any streaks or residue behind once the item is cleaned. This spray is super easy and handy to use. Just spray and wipe clean whatever electronic gadget screen you want. As soon as it came in, I cleaned the TV with it and didn't take much effort to clean the TV. It looked so good, like almost brand new. About a week later, I walked past the TV while my niece is watching it and noticed some writing on the same corner that the handprints were at. I turned off the TV and saw a bunch of crayon lines on the TV. I was shocked to see that but realized she's a little kid and just took out the TV cleaner spray. Took some time this time but it did the work once again and had a talk with her. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.